The show floor here at Glass Expo Rocky Mountain is packed with a wide variety of exhibitors and attendees, but they're all navigating the same challenges and trends impacting the industry at large. I'm Jordan Scott, Assistant Editor of US Glass Magazine, here to show you what's driving the latest product developments and how local fabricators and contract glazing companies perceive the market. We talked with some of them about their experiences and why they came to the show. Brian Ritchie, Vice President of Best Enterprises here in Colorado, says architects' desire for more glass is impacting the demand in sports facilities.
We manufacture structural glass wall systems for squash and racquetball courts, so we're looking for new vendors, new processes that we can encourage our vendors to use. There's a big push to use more heavy glass in those venues, and we're uniquely placed because our systems are designed not just for static loads or wind loads, but a very specific criteria for impact loads. And because architects and designers are building with more glass in mind, we're putting stuff in yoga rooms and basketball courts and places that we've never seen it before.
While the market here in the Denver area is booming, it comes with some challenges for companies such as Busick Insulated Glass.
We're an insulated glass fabricator. We've been in business, this is our 30th year, so it's going to be a good anniversary for us. Came here to meet a lot of people. We don't show here, wanted to learn some, look at products and some machinery. No, we just worry about the supplies now and then because it is so busy out there and the float lines are running short at times, so we worry about the inventory. But for the most part, everything's working out well. We've been having record years for the last 5 years.
The labor shortage is another effect of the strong economy, but Craig Evans with Shank Glazing Solutions says technology can create more opportunities.
Changes in the industry, labor is becoming much more hard to find. That's nothing new. Everybody knows that. Finding folks that are qualified, know what they're doing, finding talent is always more of a challenge. So we're doing things to try to develop that too on our end. I love the new lift equipment. Boy, I wish they had that when I was in the field working. So like Smart Lift and who are the other folks over there, Quattro Lift. I love that stuff. So, and it creates so many more opportunities where you can do more work, more complicated work with less manpower. So that's got to be something you look at. Some powerful, powerful stuff.
Oversized glass is another growing trend nationwide, which Viracon architectural sales representative Connor O'Neill tells us includes the Colorado market as well. So this show is all about, finding out the latest in the glass and glazing industry. What major trends are really impacting Viracon right now?
Major trends that we're seeing right now kind of evolve around just higher performance, and then oversized glass is definitely playing into that. We have some newer low E coatings that are just driving, the heat gain down, lower U values. Then oversized glass too is definitely getting some attention from developers and architects.
Okay. Are you seeing any great demand for that in the Colorado area?
More and more of it. Yeah, it's definitely starting to pick up. We have a local project here that went, 14 foot, slab to slab height. And it's definitely starting to pick up, yeah.
Okay, and are there any major concerns that the company has, about general industry trends happening right now?
No concerns I'm aware of right now. I think we definitely see a pretty healthy market, for the next at least 1 to 2 years out there, hopefully longer. And we're definitely ramped up production-wise right now to take advantage of that. So.
Access Hardware Supplies' Bill Smoyer, the company's national sales manager, explains some of its product options. The need for improved security after mass shootings is just one of the trends driving new developments at the company.
We're seeing more lockdown portions with the hardware on doors because of the mass shootings, unfortunately. So a lot of the buildings have to be retrofitted or thought given to when the construction is done to have lockdown capabilities within the hardware itself. Well, we have this product here. This is a display of the HES 1500 and 1600. What they've done is they've upgraded their electric strikes to be able to, number one, reflect lower profile, and then the 1500 is designed to work with a cylindrical lock, and it works with all the cylindrical locks. And the 1400 works with all of the Morris locks, where their predecessors had some limitations.
Sika is focusing on a few new products here at Glass Expo Rocky Mountain that make installation easier and improve aesthetics. Market field engineer Eddie Esha-Samua also tells us which trends are specific to the Colorado area.
One of the major trends with laminated glass is for railings is our new product, Sika Glaze, for glass embedding. So actually the code changes recently and movement by the laminating companies such as Carrare, such as here, is what's driving that product and the use of that product. Colorado, we get a lot of questions about different facade. They're using terracotta stones for facades, aluminum panels for facades, and what they want to do is do it without any rivets or visible fasteners, and our silicone sealants or structural sealants are used for those. We brought a sample here to just show some of the things you can do basically with our units. For you guys have a cold weather environment here, so it's good to use energy saving insulating products. So our silicones are used for that as well, and that's really specific to this region.
For more coverage from the show, check out Facebook, Twitter, and usglassmag.com. And if you couldn't make it out to Glass Expo Rocky Mountain, make sure to pencil Glass Expo Northeast into your calendar. It'll be held March 27th through 28th at the Long Island Marriott in Uniondale, New York. I'm Jordan Scott. Thanks for watching.